How to be lucky. So I consider myself a very lucky girl, but I also know that my worldviews and habits underpin this luck. I believe we create our own reality, and that's why I'm sharing how to become more lucky. Here's a reminder of how you're pretty lucky already. I think a lot of people just don't realize how much opportunity they have. Do you have food on the table? Is the classic example, but were you able to breathe fresh air today? Were you able to see the forest today? Were you able to take 5 minutes for yourself? Create those opportunities for yourself as well. Of course, it's not always gonna be great, and you're not always going to be lucky, but there are ways to significantly increase the chances. The law of reciprocity. Some people consider it karma. If you're kind and nice, and the majority of people are, luck will find you in reciprocity. As humans, we have this urge to give back when we are given to, and that's a natural social instinct. So why wouldn't you multiply the power of your network and help others on the way? And I know already that many people are gonna think, hey, it's so easy saying that when being a pretty white girl. And yes, that's true, but I do think that you are your own world's creator and you can nurture luck in your life. If you perceive yourself as a lucky person, you will be more lucky in your own reality, but also in real, because you also have an influence on your environment and vice versa. So there's this relationship that you have, whether or not you like this thought. Think about how breath travels in and out of your system. That's the energy, if you want to use a spiritual word, but actually it's biological, how your cell breathes. You're creating this thing called ATP, and that's pure energy. Look out for it, be grateful for it, notice it, walk around noticing it with an open mind, and ask yourself, how does this, what I'm seeing and experiencing right now, how does this help me on my path? And when you ask a question like that, you will receive an answer because you know. As a summary, do realize you have a lot of opportunities, take them and nurture more opportunities. Rule number 2, give first, give and then receive, but don't expect receiving when giving. It's really important, otherwise it doesn't work. It really doesn't, it's hilarious. Number 3, ask yourself, how is this situation beneficial to me? That's it. Greetings from a lucky girl. Mwah.